Yes, good. Good job. Grab a little bit because I cannot. Hold on. Can you lift up the leg? I have here. Yeah, because I want to go there. Yeah. And a little bit higher this one too. And then I can go there.
係 for 淋巴嘅，咁呢啲上邊咧就係 for pat pat。
淋巴係黑色嘅。
係頭先我哋講淋巴 focus 係用黑色線放，係咯。
Set.
唔知啊，第一有可能。佢可能唔慣啲鬼婆嘅，應該係。啊，佢話
That was wrong.
OK。佢要攞紙巾。
My love, just follow my hands.
OK。佢要攞紙巾。唔係記得
紙巾入邊。Like this.
千祈唔好。
Okay, like that. Okay.
係咪好安全感啊？跟住你。
Okay. Ooh, nice. Here, see?
Nice.
Okay, so I'm gonna go here this way.
Here?
Yeah. And I'm going to put the cables first. And I'm gonna put one more.
過少少。
This way. Okay, so now I have, I'm gonna count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let me put this way. Okay, like that. There you have more. So you have to have 8 here. I'm gonna put this way, sorry. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is more? Actually, why do I want it in here or do I want it there? Or do I want it here? Here. Why don't I put it this way? Okay, and that one I'm going to use here. Yeah, I think that's better. Yeah? You're right. Okay, you're right. I'm going to go here, put this there. Okay? And that's my buttocks. You start from the middle and you go out. The way you start in the stomach, from the middle and you go out, okay? So from here, I'm gonna go here, okay? Number 2, I do the exact same thing on the other side. Mirror image, yeah. And number 3 and 4, let me have them together. 3 and 4. Which way should I do? Do it this way, yeah? Okay. And then 3 and 4, yeah? And then, oops, sorry. And go 5 and 6, yeah? I have 7 and 8, yeah? 7 and 8. 7 and 8, yeah? Oh, actually that's 5. Anyway, sorry. Okay? That's one way of doing it, yeah? That's one way. You can do it in a different way, okay? So let me take everything off.
而家又要掹走所有嘢啦。 先嗰個就係一個做法，就係
Everything
黑
is
色
going to
喺
be
中
black
間，
on the
紅
bottom.
色喺外邊。咁佢而家就 show 俾你睇另外一個做法，係可以點樣薄啲線。
Okay. And then there.
咁呢個做法就主。
呢個係咩啊？頭先嗰個淋巴係中間，呢個係上咩？
頭先其實佢係一樣嘅，咁只不過佢係覺得黑色喺中間，咁紅色喺側邊，可以營造到一個唔同嘅收縮嘅運動。咁你而家下排由黑色，上排由紅色咧，就係另外一種嘅 exercise。佢話呢兩種嘅搏法都 OK， 都係可以試聽。其實我想問呢間咧，可能嗰個客人會覺得黑色強烈啲嘅，咁但係相反有啲客人咧，其實係對紅色可能係覺得強烈啲，其實真係都好睇個人。咁可能你今次試個鞋覺得冇乜 feel， 咁你下次可以試下倒翻轉嗰個顏色。
Okay, so this one is going to work two right at the side, yeah?
咁佢啲電流就係由呢條線路係黑色咁樣去做一個長線。
So that's another way of doing it, yeah? Either or. Exactly what you do on the belly, you do the same thing. Okay? Simple.
Photo 上面我哋都有一個 focus 針對肚嘅大黑咁樣。
Yeah. And all I have to do really is I have to change this with this, right? And this with this. And I have the pattern that I had previously, yeah?
咁佢咁樣就係一開始嘅嗰個貼法啦，黑喺中間，紅喺側邊。
It's like a puzzle. So let's leave it like that. Let's go at the upper end now. Now I need, for the front, I have to put 4 pads at the front. So I'm gonna need 9, 10, and 11 for my lymphatic drainage, yeah? Because you see I have 3, 4 here, so I'm gonna have 4 at the front, right? So I'm gonna need 9, 10, and 11, and then I'm gonna need 14, 15, and 16. And I only have 13 and 12 available.
16咧就放隻腳嘅冷度2塊，咁就12、13原本
No, you're holding it from here again. Be careful. And then here. And there. Okay? And you see I'm way far away from the spine and everywhere, right? And what I'm going to do is give me 12 and 13 now.
脊椎呢個位咧，其實係要離開至少
At least 4.
4個手指位咁樣嘅。咁
So I'm going to do the trick that I showed you before. I'm going to take 1, 12, 1, 13, 1, 12, 1, 13, and I'll go this way, and, oops, sorry. Let's see this way. And this way. Okay?
咁而家佢就每邊都有。
So now I have all black and all red.
咁黑色。
Okay, I'm gonna have to take this off again. I'm sorry, I am always. Actually, sorry, I'm gonna go a little bit more in. Sorry. Okay. 1, 2, go a little bit more in here.
係咁又搣有啲。
2, 3. And you know what? I'm gonna put it in here. That one. Okay? Like that. Okay, so that one is gonna go here. Because I don't want to put it here, you see, there's nothing there, you see. Don't put anything there. So I'm gonna put this here. Okay? And then give me 9, go on the other. So this one is gonna go over here. Okay? And this one is gonna go here. Obviously, that's the only. If I have two, then I can put this here. But I don't have two. My only choice is over here, right? I have no other choice. If it was here, I would put it here. But now I have no choice, I put it there. Okay? Give me, now I can do one leg, number 10. And I'm gonna do the same thing here. I have another red here. I'm doing this. Number 10, and the black is, where's my black? My black is gonna go here, okay? And number 11, and you guys take 16, 15, and 14, and you do the other side. Okay? You always try to maximize. Always maximize. All the way in. And basically, the reason why we do that because he has a lot of swelling here. So that's a padding that basically is going to be for buttocks, a little bit of the back. So basically, it's the back. So you can have padding for the front. So now I'm going to give you 10 treatments for the front, and I'm going to give you another 10 treatments for the back. And that's 20 treatments. That's it, rather than 10.
咁佢有 suggest 可以有10個 treatment 係可以咁樣結法，咁10個咧就 focus 翻喺上邊或者肚咁樣做。
Okay, actually take these two of them, take two of them, both of them, the last two. Get the two red. Okay. And the two black are gonna go where? Over here, right? There. So you do it right, boom, boom. Save time. Another thing I want to tell you guys, when you do your padding, do not go like this, okay? Do not go over the patient. Go around, walk around, and do it from the other side. Yes, exactly how Carol is doing it. That's excellent. Yes. Yep. Very nice. Very good. Well, both hands. Both hands. Like a piano. Okay? You're playing the piano now. No, too much. Too much. Less than that. Less than that. Come on, don't worry. Come on. Actually, you don't have to worry for that. It's okay. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You okay? Okay. You have to ask her, are you okay? Every time you do that, are you okay?
Oh, okay.
Okay. Keep going. Keep going.
佢 OK 就繼續一路扭大佢咯。
哦，扭大咁我又係由頭開始。
Keep going. Keep going. When you're doing it, you also ask her. You go, are you okay? Are you okay? Don't worry, she's not. She's comfortable. Don't worry. Don't worry. Just keep doing it. We're asking her for cortisol. Keep going, keep going.
咁你可以一路 keep 住問佢 O 唔 OK 再加大啲。
腳仔會唔會軟㗎？玩完之後，你要唔要再
Okay.
加大啲？
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
我試下呢度啊。
Little, keep going continuously. She's too low.
咁要記住啦，呢個兩個同呢兩個咧係淋巴嗰啲位嚟嘅，咁就唔好超過5咯。咁其他位
Keep
你
going.
可以
Otherwise, she's not.
開到
You need to get her to get a contraction. Are you contracting? Not yet. Keep going. Keep going until she gets a
仲未 feel 到
contraction.
你有收縮。
1, 2 only, and this. Okay. So this one is okay. You know, just increase those ones though.
你諗下就主要 focus 喺頭先佢貼嗰啲pat pat 啊嗰啲位，咁另外頭先佢講唔好喐嘅嗰啲就係淋巴位嚟嘅，咁你而家可以調大啲。
How are you doing? Pianist.
點啊？ O 唔 OK 啊？
我覺得有啲抽筋咯。
O 唔 OK 啊？
通常咧，佢可能一開始啱啱轉咗新嘅強度，佢會唔係好熟悉嘅。咁你可能過咗幾個收縮之後咧，就會習慣咗。咁到時之後先再加都得，唔一定係話我呢一秒加完下一秒嘅收縮，佢就再加。
Yes. You contracting?
即係咩啊？
誒有冇收縮嘅感覺？
有啊。
Susan? Yes, she is. Okay. Say to her now. I will change your exercise, and
哦，我
when
而家
it's
會幫你
red, you
轉個運動係啦。咁
Okay.
每次轉呢兩粒嘅時候，
咁跟住係咪
not
今次
that
到
one.
呢
No.
邊啊？呢邊未
You
轉
start
過。
from there
係
first.
啦，我
That
哋
one
由呢邊
first.
開始轉嘅。We change this already。
Oh, you already changed it.
好餓啊！俾佢咁樣震到，
咁可以
咁應該到呢邊。
紅燈嘅時候就轉呢邊。
但係就會廢㗎咯喎。
咁當然繼續廢啦。
Wait, wait. Red.
轉頭食咩
Go.
好啊？
係啦，
你諗
因為
下
得2秒，所以要
And
好
keep
快。
going on this one.
繼續 keep 住行。
OK，我繼續㗎啦。
唔好啦，可唔可以唞走先？
Are you okay? Are you okay?
我覺得有啲唔好掂啦，我覺得。
真係好少經個感覺爭好遠。
You can keep going. Very little, yeah, it's okay.
好嘅啊！
It's fine.
加油啊！加油啊！
啱啱一開到爆炸。
Quite low. Good, good.
啲喎，問你可唔可以再大啲個強度？
可唔可以唔好啊？
你喐少啲咯，
喐少啲啦，係咯，我温柔
Yeah,
啲。
little bit. Yeah, good, good.
扮嘅咋佢。
Don't be afraid.
我扮得㗎啦。
Okay.
啊呢度最後。好少。
扮喐啊！
邊個位唔得啊？你覺得？
佢係心理好大壓力啊！我覺得佢係。
係啊，Pepe 好勁。
因為後邊真係好多，佢幫你貼咗。